Should you take a last-minute cleaning job? That is a great question. I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, there are house cleaners that ask me this question a lot, and it comes up a lot of times in our Facebook groups for professional house cleaners, where a customer will call a house cleaner and they say, hey, can you come over this afternoon? I'm having a party. Can you come help me clean my house? And it's a last-minute job. And then the house cleaner's like, wait a minute. Don't you think that the person that was throwing the party knew in advance of just this afternoon that they were going to need some help? Why are they calling me at the last minute? I have other clients. I have other jobs. How on earth am I expected just to jump through hoops and go clean the house this afternoon? All right, so they get a little flustered because they don't have more notice, and then they take an attitude. And a lot of house cleaners are like, well, they must think I don't have a real life or I don't have a real business. What's happening is this. There are a lot of instances in life where things shift at the last minute. And it's not that the customer is being insensitive to the house cleaner. Oftentimes, it's that the customer has something that came up all of a sudden. Suppose there was a great big family event and it was supposed to be at another family member's house. When something happened at that family member's house and they weren't able to accommodate the party, everyone is still expecting to go somewhere. So a nearby relative said, oh, we'll have it at my house. But their house isn't clean, and so they need help at the last minute, okay? So there are things like that that happen. Also, there are people that will sell their house at the last minute. I know that during the pandemic, right at the tail end, there were lots of people that came and they knocked on my door and they said, hey, can we just buy your house? I'm like, no, my house is not for sale, right? But there were a lot of people in my neighborhood that said, yes, you can buy my house for the right price. And they threw their house on the market literally at the last minute. And the next day it was sold just like that. I'm suggesting that this happens. This can happen. And so at the last minute, somebody is moving out of their house and they weren't planning on moving 2 days ago. So there was no way they could give a house cleaning company advance notice. They're just suddenly selling their house and they suddenly need it cleaned, right? So what's happening when you say, as a house cleaning company, we work by referral only. And I know that at Savvy Cleaner, which is my company, we've done this for 30 years. We tell people we work by referral only and we don't run ads. And so what happens is we are inviting our customers to then tell their friends and neighbors about us via referral. So when we get those referrals in, we should be grateful, like, yay, the plan is working, right? Instead of taking an attitude, getting upset like, oh, don't they think I have a real life? Well, we said we work by referral only, i.e., please send us referrals. So when the referrals come at the last minute, we have to say, yes, we got a referral. And then if we are busy and we cannot accommodate it, we need to do one of a couple of things. We either need to hire an independent contractor that has either worked for us before or knows our company culture and can jump in and fill in for us, or we have to be able to refer a different company where we don't make any commission at all, but somebody that we know, like, and trust, right? And so what we try to do then is if we do work by referral only and we cannot accommodate that last minute request, instead of getting upset, we need to try to do our best to fill in the gaps so that that person will still want to recommend us. So they might say, I did not get to hire Savvy Cleaner, but they were so kind as to give me a referral at the last minute. They were very, very good with their correspondence and their communication, and they had great attitudes. And although it was last minute and I knew they probably couldn't accommodate me, and they couldn't, they were able to help me find a replacement. We got the house cleaning time for the big sale that was the following day or whatever it is. So you will still get positive feedback even if you weren't the one able to accommodate that. So I want to encourage you, should you take the last minute job? The answer is yes, if you can, because you are in fact a cleaning company. And if you work by referral only and referrals are coming in, yes, you should accept them graciously. And you should start looking at your business differently than, oh, don't they think I have a real life? Instead of saying, oh, wow, look, we got new business coming in. How cool is it that we were able to attract new business when we weren't advertising at all? Now, if you have ideas or suggestions about this and you want to ask your questions, leave those in the comments below. If you want to grow your cleaning business and you want to look for referrals and have that be a part of your business, watch this next video because this is a tried and true method that has worked for us for a solid 30+ years. All right, that's it for today. Until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.